Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this simple and a small and beautiful project design here, and all process and all method is learn step by step, and this is a clearly learn here, and this beautiful is design use a CATIA software, and this beautiful and a small project is design here, and this is a multi-section view. Okay, and also this isometric view is a this body is looking perfect, and this is a steel plate, and a steel is this body is a 3D body, and this is a very useful and very helpful in any house and any. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and step all process is learn here. Okay, how to easily draw this 3D model use CATIA software. Okay, let's start. Okay, okay, okay guys, at first click a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and a new part is created here. And at first select a plane is XY plane, and use a position sketch, and swap and reverse vertical direction is used here. Okay, all is perfect, and click a circle is design circle is created here. Okay, and you mention any dimension. This dimension is a 240 is correct. Okay, this diameter is 240 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, and at first click exit. Okay, and at first this set metal parameters, because all command is not activated, and at first this set metal parameters, then all command is activated, and this is a changeable. This set metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this value is changeable. All is change here easily, and this thickness is increase and decrease also, but this thickness is a 1 millimeter is thickness, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct. Okay, and at first click this wall is a click this and invert downward and click OK. All plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and use a this. Okay, this is a shading with edge. Okay, and this is a this sketch is hide. Okay, at first this face click here, and this use a position sketch draw here, and swap and reverse vertical and click OK. Okay, this is a correct, and use this offset command and click anywhere, and this is a perfect, and this is a change the value is a minus 12 is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, this is a minus 10 is also perfect. Okay, and click OK, exit. Okay, and select click this surface stamp, and click at first this boundary. Okay, angle is 90 degrees correct, and height is 142 is correct, and this preview is showing here. Okay, and this first radius is 7 millimeter is correct, and second radius is, first radius is 6 millimeter and second radius is a 24 is correct. Preview is showing here. This is a perfect. All is a looking perfect, but this second radius is more, but 15 is correct, and all is looking perfect. This body is a so nice looking here, and this is a this shading with edge without smooth edge. Okay, and click this and some create a boundary, then use a teardrop command is used here, and this length is 1.5 millimeter, and again radius is 1.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, enter, and upper side line is click here, and this preview is showing here. This is a okay, this boundary is looking perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking so nice here. Okay, and use this shading with material, click this and metal, and this steel is created here. Okay, and right click and property, click here, and this reflectivity is very high, and click a road material. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this body is a correct. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a isometric view is also drawing here, and click okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, and back side is also looking so nice here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and so nice looking here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and so nice looking this body is correct, and this is a correct. Okay, okay guys, this project is drawing here, all process is learn here one by one, and guys I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.